Hi there.
Hello? What can I do for you?
I was wondering, I was going to ask you what you're doing.
Well, anybody can see I'm oiling my Teletype.
Uh-huh.
You gotta oil your Teletype every time.
What's a teletype?
Well, it's just a printer. A remote printer. Don't you have a Teletype?
No.
Well, this is what people did before the computer. You had to... Everything was mechanical.
Interesting.
Look at this thing. Look at all the parts. They're all mechanical parts. This is the Model 15 Teletype. This is the typing unit. Here's the carriage unit here. Carriage unit is the part that actually
Types. Right?
types.
Yeah. Okay, got that one right.
Because it's the typing carriage. This is
How
where
does
a
that
mouse
really work?
made its home here once.
Really? That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Look kind of cozy, doesn't it?
So how does this work? How do you...
Well,
Okay, can you start off by explaining me the carriage unit?
Well, I can explain how it works. So basically, you send on-off signals over a wire, and those on-off signals make this relay here click. And as the shaft rotates,
Which one?
There's a relay here. I can't see it from the side, but and as the shaft rotates, the on and off clicks of the relay get translated into the movement of these vanes. So these vanes, some will be up and some will be down. And those vanes in turn is transmitted to these little forks on the typing unit, on the carriage unit, which then shift these code bars to the code bars. And then, for a certain 5-bit code, just one of these little bars will slip down into the lower position, and so when this vane here pushes, it will actually push just one of these typing bars, and it will knock up against the paper.
Interesting.
Yeah. So these things have to be oiled like once a month if they're in like 8-hour-a-day service, and of course this unit here is is probably used 8 hours in a year.
Where do you type?
Well, that's the rest of it, which is I'll show you later. But I'm doing the oiling now. There's a original service manual. It has 421 oiling steps, which I just completed. So you have to, for example, take 1 drop of oil, which you put on a little piece of little wire, and you can just drop 1 little drop in 400 different places.
Wow.
So it's done. So we will then fire it up, and we'll show you as we fire it up. Okay? Want to see it?
Okay.
All right. Are you ready?
Sure.
Okay. So we'll see you soon when we have it put back together.
But right now, can you show us the typing unit?
Well, I'll show you the base unit. This is the typing unit. This is the carriage unit I showed you. And let's go...
I mean the base, yeah.
Yeah, I'll go over there and show you the base and the keyboard. It's over here. This is the base unit here. Keyboard and motor. It's a little bit dark, but I'll be reassembling it, and then
That's cool.
yeah, this was built in 1944, I think. It was last mold and fungus proofed in 1954, according to that stamp. It was in service with the U.S. Army Signal Corps.
Huh.
Until I got it in around 1970s. Okay.